What is going on, everybody? It's Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. Today is going to be a what sold video, what sold for me recently on eBay and Poshmark. I've also been trying my very best to get through my death pile. I know I said probably a couple of weeks back that I thought I was pretty much over my death pile and I'll be sourcing again. You know, when I started looking around, I still had a lot of stuff and I still have quite a bit of stuff that I could list if I really want to. So I'm trying to force myself to do that. If you're in a similar situation, you do have stuff that you should be listing, maybe stop sourcing for a little bit and just get that stuff listed. Or if you decide you want to donate some of that stuff, donate it. In my case, some of that stuff, when I go through it, I've been taking to a local auction and just running it through an auction. So, you know, however you get rid of it, you should probably try to get rid of it because pretty soon it's going to be garage sale season if that's what you're looking forward to, which I personally am. And that's when I source usually the most. So I'm looking to get rid of that stuff so I have room for all the new stuff that I want to bring out in, and then I can start thrifting again on a regular basis. You know, I could do more bins hauls if I really wanted to, but I need to get the old stuff out. But the good news is sales have still been pretty decent, so let's pull some orders. Gonna kick it off with an eBay sale, and it's one of these CED video discs. This is Godzilla, King of the Monsters. Okay, I did dig down and find this one, so I kind of pre-pulled it because you'll see I have two Godzillas. This is the one that sold, and then we have Godzilla 1985 there as well. So I wasn't sure how far down this one was, so I did pre-pull it and bring it to the top. Yeah, 24 bucks for this one. That was, and change, that was part of the 10% off deal. Originally listed for $27, so you know, $24.30. Happy with that. Let's pull the next order. Sold a t-shirt from the $800 clothing buy here. It's this Travis Scott Cactus Jack X Fragment t-shirt, so it's a collab, I guess. Fragment I've sold before. Travis Scott, I know, or I'm pretty sure, is a rapper. Cactus Jack, I'm not sure what that is, I don't remember. But it is a merch shirt. Had it listed originally for $50, had it on sale for $44.97, then accepted an offer of $40 USD. Like I said, it did come from that $800 close buy, so you know, that's still a pretty decent sale, in my opinion. See how hard it is to find. See Post Malone. Oh, it's right on top here. It's kind of got that that like puff paint on the blue. Cool shirt. There were some listed super high, but then when you actually look at the solds, they just don't sell for what people are listing them for. A lot of these, I don't know that this is a vintage shirt, but a lot of vintage shirts have certainly dropped off in value of what people actually pay for them now, including, I think, stuff like this. But that's just my opinion, and I'm happy with a $40 sale. Let's get this guy out of here. ED video disc. This one is called Magic. I've never heard of it or seen it. It was listed for $15, 10% off sale, put it at $13.50. I think that's what we got. Like I said, I've never heard of it before. It was in this pile, but I've moved it over here. When I was flipping through with the Godzilla one you just see me pull, I seen this one, so I threw it on top as well. This one's in a nice condition. Like I said, look at that creepy dummy.
It's only a movie.
You do magic too?
Corky does magic. I only do tricks.
Ugh, don't like anything about that. I love horror movies, but I don't know, something about puppets and stuff kind of creeped me out a little bit. Anyway, happy with this sale. Typically the horror movie genre does a little better, or maybe the horror suspense. I don't know what this falls under. I've never seen it. Anyway, happy with the sale, and we're going to get this guy out of here. Sold a pair of Merrells on eBay. So these are the barefoot ones, I guess. We'll take a look. Bare access running shoes. Had them listed originally for $29. They're on sale for $26.91. Somebody offered me $21, and I decided to take it. These did come from the Goodwill bins. Oh yeah, they are super lightweight. Yeah, I don't know. I'm happy with the sale right at this moment. You know, I'm gearing up for to be off for a little bit, for about a week or so. So I'm happy to move some stuff out. You know, I'm taking offers essentially. So even though things are on sale, I know I picked these up at the bins. $21 USD is still pretty decent in my opinion for these shoes. And we're gonna get these guys out of here. Sold a poster on eBay. This was Leatherface 2. sold for $43. Okay, I'm just opening it up here. Originally listed it for $54. It was on 10% off sale for $48, and I accepted $44. I'll throw the right number up on screen if I have that wrong. It's right here. I brought this in from the house. It's in my other spare room in the house. I have a bunch of these horror movies in there, including a super expensive Halloween one in there. This one I need a poster tube for. I have this tube right here that has a poster in it currently, but as you can see, it's not long enough. We have some at our spa, Tranquility in Tillsonburg, that had, I think, posters that were like shipped from like promotional posters. So I'm gonna look there before I go buy one. If not, I'll probably wind up buying one from most likely Staples locally if I can find one. If not, I'll have to order one online and ship this out in a couple of days. I want to make sure I have the right tube because this poster needs to get there safely. Anyway, happy with the sale. This was my personal poster. I bought them. I mentioned this before in the channel. I bought a bunch of horror posters to potentially decorate on the wall in here or maybe use in the house or something. I've since decided just to sell them. So I think I paid about $20 Canadian per poster, including this one. So I'm getting, you know, 44 bucks US or something out of that plus shipping. Happy with the sale, still making some money, and we're gonna get this guy out of here. We sold a Fleer set of Casper, the Friendly Ghost. It's right here. You can see I had it originally listed for $15 USD. It was on sale for $13. I accepted $11. Okay, it's right here. This case does have a crack in it, which I've disclosed. But it's in this case here. I'm still gonna put it in a box, and we're gonna get it shipped out. It's funny that the sealed packs are worth more than the complete set, but in a lot of cases it's the same with sports cards. You can get a box of unopened cards and they're worth more money than the complete set is. But yeah, anyway, I love Casper, a lot of fun, and let's get this guy out here. Sold a pair of jeans on eBay. Really quick flip to True Religion straight size 36-32. I listed them for $29 US because of the 10% off sale. Again, they went on sale right away for $26.10. And they sold, actually they double sold. If I'm gonna be honest, they also sold on Poshmark, which I'm gonna have to cancel the Poshmark order. I haven't dealt with that yet either. It actually sold on Poshmark last night, just as I was putting my phone down to go to bed, and I thought, okay, well, I'll delist in the morning. Well, in the morning I seen the eBay sale for these here, not in here. I don't know why I pulled that down there in the men's jeans. Should be just on top because I just listed them. But yeah, there they are right there. Quick sale. Did they need to go on a 10% off sale? Probably not, but I picked these up just this past week for $9 at my local Goodwill. I listed them and they sold within 24 hours 2 times. So definitely, you know, I probably could have even put them up a little bit higher, but these were the made in Mexico ones, not made in the US, and they typically take longer to sell. So I thought I put them competitively priced, and they sold right away. Let's get these guys out of here. Sold a crew neck. This one is from the $800 clothing buy as well. Stussy crew neck here, Y2K. Originally had it listed for $64. It was on sale for $57.60, and I accepted an offer, I think, of $47 USD to move it out of here. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, it's a pretty basic one, you know. I do need to see where this was manufactured because I'm not sure. I need that for, yeah, made in USA. So yeah, good. Yeah, I probably could have held out and got more, but I thought 47 USD is fine. Like I said, I'm trying to move some stuff out. I'm going to be out, like I said, off on vacation next week, so if I can make a few extra sales this week, that's definitely a good thing, and we're going to get this guy out here. Moving on over to Depop, and I don't know if you guys remember me picking up these Josh Donaldson Stadium giveaway jerseys. Okay, these were Goodwill 50% off, so I think I paid a couple of dollars for these ones, not much at all. $14.95 US. These ones don't hold as much value as some of the new modern ones, you know. Donaldson was a great J. You know, at the end there, I think he's asking for a lot of money, and his career was on the decline for sure. So, you know, they parted ways. But yeah, happy about this. I don't know if somebody's gearing up maybe for some spring training baseball. I know I am. I'm gearing up for baseball season. $15 for this one USD. Not too bad. That's kind of what I expected. And Let's get this guy out of here. Oh, we also do have 2 more of these. So I have 1 more to list. I can relist this on Depop. And I brought one to my antique booth as well. So you'll probably see at least 1 more of these go out on the channel, hopefully pretty soon. Moving on to Poshmark.com, we sold a pair of Crocs from the Goodwill bins, $18 USD. These are a little bit of a wedge on these ones. We'll find them. They're over here. I did happen to cancel that True Religion jeans as well, because that was Poshmark.com. I just canceled that and sent a message saying, hey, I'm so sorry, I need to cancel this order. Refund is on the way. If they ask why, I will tell them that it was sold on another platform, but you know, I don't really want to say that right away unless they're asking. That's typically what I do. I just say that I need to cancel the order, apologize, and let them know that they're going to get refunded. Typically, that's okay. You know, if they do ask more questions, I will say I did happen to sell it on a different platform. But we did sell these ones on Poshmark.com. These Crocs, and like I said, I love picking them up at the bins because they always sell for around $20 to $30. These ones $18 USD. Let's get them out of here. All right, we're moving to Poshmark.ca. $20 Canadian for this Toy Story Slinky Dog. This one was hard to give up. I love Slinky Dog. He's a great character in the movie. He's a great ride at Disney. And yeah, I don't know. 20 bucks for this guy. It probably would have been the Toy Story ones. There's Jessie down there. Buzz. Did we already sell Woody? I think we might have already sold Woody, but or maybe Woody went to the booth. I can't remember. But yeah, the Toy Story ones would be the ones I probably would have kept, but I'm still happy to get them out of here. And honestly surprised at how quick these Funkos are selling. There's obviously Funkos that are worth decent money and then ones that are hard to give away. Some of these ones are pretty good. Happy to list them online and get the quick sales. Another quick Poshmark.ca sale, $29 Canadian Woolridge. This is like a fleece pullover, so it's polyester actually. This was somebody's throwback at the bins. I didn't pull it out of a brand new clothing bin. This was at the end of an electronic bin and somebody had threw some clothes back. This is what made me look twice. Made in the USA. Sometimes Woolridge isn't good, but made in the USA, that's usually a good sign. Pretty nice one. Like I said, I didn't necessarily find it. It was somebody's throwback, and I'm happy to grab it. I've picked up like LL Bean and some different stuff like in this style of fleece before. Always sells. Usually sells quickly. $29 Canadian. Happy with the sale. Let's get this guy out of here. So I'm going to spend the rest of my afternoon just sort of going through what I do have left. I know I have some shoes that need to clean up that I've just been putting off because I'm not in love with cleaning shoes all the time. So, you know, today's a good day. It's a quiet afternoon. I could definitely just clean a couple pairs of shoes and get them listed or get them drafted so I could list them on eBay in the next day or so. I have some clothes that just need a quick wash through the washing machine and they'll be good to list as well. Stuff like that. There's a couple of bins I need to go through that are either basically going to go to an auction, or if they're decent, some of the stuff's decent enough, maybe it'll go on eBay or my antique booth, something like that. I'm not really sure, but I do still have some more stuff I need to work through, so that's how I'm going to spend the rest of my afternoon. If you guys do like videos like this, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. We'll see you guys soon.